We are going home without Michael.
You want to tell them that you are going home without Michael?
Michael is in school.
Why is Michael in school?
Because he is doing lunch and he
is doing lunch in school.
Yeah.
And what?
And he returning to.
You're not showing yourself, Martins. You're just showing only me. What show you're going to, Martins? Didn't know vlogging. Vlogging Ghanaian today, no boy.
We are going home without Michael today. I'm so happy. I can do all the things I can.
All the what?
All the things I want.
So Michael prevents you from doing all what you wanted.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Anyway, show me so that I will explain to them what is happening, because you are not explaining anything. That's not how to hold the camera if you are vlogging. That's how you hold the camera, like that. You hold it.
Go.
You don't hold it like that, it's not going to stay. So hi guys, I just went to pick this boy. Look at me, I didn't even vlog today. Like, I'm not even on this camera today, this phone, for vlogging. Only for me to go and carry Mercy. So Mercy is on it and say he wants to vlog. Now he wants to tell you guys that Michael did not come back home. So today, Michael has to rest in the school for more 1 hour or 2 hours. 1 hour.
2 hours.
Okay, 2 hours. Because they have extra hours of lessons to do and some sports to do. Martins, you're cutting my hair.
Okay.
And some sports to do. So for that, I'll be going back to pick him up later. So hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to another vlog. Martins, cut is enough. Basta. Hey guys, welcome back. So this should be like the next day after I went to pick my kids school, and then I made lunch. This is the next day. So welcome back to another vlog. I have now I am in another city. I've left the house this morning. I'm in another city because I had an appointment there and I am done with there. Right now I have to go to the hospital because I have an appointment with my doctor by 11, and now it's already about 10:30. So I am driving right down there, and then once I'm done there, I will see you guys later. So hope you guys are doing great. Okay. Dropping the kids this morning was very, very hectic because some of them didn't even want to get up from the bed, especially the twins. Um, they had they have some running nose, so for that they feel so tired, of going back to school. This is just the problem we face here with the weather and with the children going to school. Like all the time they were at home for the long holidays, nobody fell ill. Nobody complained of any pain. Nobody had any pain or any disorder whatsoever. All those long holidays, everybody was at peace. Like we all played, we had great funs. But now that the school has started, they have just started. They started September, and like and this has always been my prayer that anytime they are going to school, like I hate this catarrh, cold, this influenza and the rest. I just don't like it, especially whenever it comes on my children. Like it tells on me, it tells on me so much. So, but I thank God that the thing is not serious. That's why if I just notice any slightest, like any, like I just immediately start ministering treatment, so I don't waste time, because once it comes down on that person, it's going to go around to the rest of them. So I start tackling it with that first person on time. So unfortunately, the twins, their own both started the same time, being that they're twins, and that's it. I'm tackling it. Yesterday we didn't really get to sleep fine like that. It was really disturbing on them, but this morning they were okay. I ministered some treatment on them, and I did them that so I kind of, and I massaged them very well with hot water, and then later on I had to apply some rubs, some oil, and then I still gave them their own medicine inside to take. So my children don't actually respond very well to tacaprina. Tacaprina is paracetamol here. So instead, they respond to Nurofen. There's another one that we call Nurofen. So that's what they really respond very fast to. And since ever I dictated that, I just go straight to Nurofen. Initially, their doctor will say we prescribe like tacaprina for 3 days, every 6 hours. But you find out that even before the 6 hours to the next administration, they are still hot. I mean, their temperature is still hot. So why just allow them keep burning instead of, going for the one they accept? So I just go straight with Nurofen, and that's it. So the one I gave them this morning is actually going to carry them all through till they come back from school again, and then I can minister another one in the night, and they'll be able to sleep. So in the meantime, let me go for this appointment right now, and I'm going to be seeing you guys later.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Hey guys, so I just rounded up right now. I know that it's sunny. I mean, hope the sun is not disturbing this camera. I can't find any other place to stay. I'm just right inside my car now, and the sun is really coming in directly through the car. But I have no option. I hope you guys can see my face properly. The thing is not making me to look at the mirror side instead of looking at my camera eyes. But anyway, hi, I am back. So I'm done with my visit. Heading home now. It's already 12:30 already. I spent time there, and it's already 12:30 right now. So I'm heading back home, and now it's going to be jammed on the road now. I mean, there's going to be so much hold up now because now a lot of people have taken break. In case you don't know, once it's 12:30, shops closes here and people go back home for lunch to spend some time with their family. So now the road will be very busy. Let me start kicking off because 1 o'clock I'll go and pick these children. And then before I get ready to prepare myself for work today. So I think I'll be ending this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I can't take you along anymore. The vlog is already too long. So if you have watched up to this part, thank you. If this is the first time you are coming across my channel, hi, welcome to thonia. Here is all about lifestyle, food. Get to know me. I am lovable, okay? So please do wait to subscribe and remember to turn on the post notification so that anytime I upload a new video, you just get to be notified. Thank you guys, all my real G's, all those that come back watching my videos. You guys rock. Thank you, and I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye. Ciao, ciao.